The next step involves gingival displacement. So whenever our margins are subgingival, we would prefer to deflect the marginal tissues to expose the margins. So we perform gingival retraction or displacement, which is the deflection of the marginal gingiva away from the tooth. And the basic aim is to expose the margins when preparing margins of a prepared teeth. So only when we are able to do that, we are able to expose these margins, we can achieve a better restoration. The methods which are used involve the mechanical method, the chemico-mechanical methods, the rotary gingival curettage, and electrosurgery. The most commonly used method is the chemico-mechanical method, where gingival retraction cords impregnated with the chemicals are used to provide gingival retraction. There also have been some latest advances in gingival retraction, which involves use of material